Hey everybody, what's up? I am back. I took a little break from my channel. Um, let's just talk about that a little bit. Um, so what happened is I end up me and my husband decided that we were going to actually get married last year. So we got married in June. Um, but during the process of the whole planning the wedding part, we ended up getting pregnant and we had Mason a week to the day after our wedding. So I've been trying to figure out mom life, uh, how to do everything for him, really. Um, been trying to balance making sure he's okay with work because I did go back to work. Um, So, like when they say having a kid is a full time job, like it is, it's a full time job. It's no joke. Um, so I've been really busy with just taking care of him and teaching him and watching him grow. Um, but right now, I felt like I could take a step back in to the YouTube community and in makeup because right now with the whole coronavirus thing, pandemic going on, my husband's job is closed right now. My job just officially closed, but I've been off of work for about a week now. Um, and staying home with my son and my husband. And I felt like it was a good time to dip back in to the makeup and my love for makeup and like, you know, doing tutorials and talking to you guys. I just, I don't know, it's just been so busy. Um, my son's 9 months old now, um, and we're kind of not terrified, but scared right now to even take him out, even though they say you could take him out, you take walks and stuff and social distancing and use that and wash your hands and make sure everything is sanitized and clean and, just be careful. We still hesitate. We don't want to take him out and to even risk anything. So we've been home this whole time, um, and just enjoying family time, enjoying the fact that we're actually all together at the same time, uh, day in and day out. Uh, that's pretty much what I've been doing. It's been hard to try to make videos and even do tutorials because my son was not on his schedule. My husband works, so I have him most of the time. Most of the time, like his routines and stuff are basically put on me. So I can't find the time because as soon as my son goes to bed, I am so exhausted. I fall asleep right with him, so I don't even come to my makeup room to even play with my makeup, to even look at it. There's some stuff I was looking at and I totally forgot that I had. So it's might not be brand new, but it's gonna be brand new to me. I'll be playing with it for the first time in the next upcoming videos. Um, I really don't know what else to say. Like, there's no excuse. Not that I'm making an excuse for not being on here for a long time, but I hope you guys understand. I mean, all the moms out there, um, you know what I'm talking about. All the first time moms, you're trying to figure out how to keep this little human alive and stuff. And then now my son's getting really good with crawling. So he just goes. Like once he's on the floor, he goes. Like you have to really watch him at all times now. Now his new thing in the morning is when he wakes up, he starts tapping me because his bed is right next to mine, and he starts tapping me to wake me up. So that freaked me out. That actually started happening today, this morning. So that freaked me out a little bit. Um, but yeah, hopefully I can try to get it down to where I at least do a few videos, maybe one video a week. See how I feel about that now that Mace is on a somewhat schedule. I mean, he doesn't sleep through the night yet or not, or anything like that. But now that he's kind of on a schedule now, I'm hoping that I can try to find time to do more videos and to post and just to come on here if you guys want to talk. Yeah, let's talk. I mean, what are you guys doing? Are you guys staying in? Are you guys still going to work? You know, I want to know. I'm home all day doing nothing. Um, I really have been eating a lot. Me and my husband aren't big snackers, but we bought snacks and we've been eating. I think we're bored eating now. I think my son's bored eating too with us now. It's gotten to that point where, I mean, we can't take him out. I mean, we could take him out, but we choose not to. Just because he's only 9 months old. Like he's a little baby, so we want to keep him as safe as possible. So we choose not to bring him out. Have we taken him out? Yeah. You know, we have barely. Like we had to take him out for his 9-month appointment and then brought him right back home. And then we went to my mom's house once. And then right back home. We don't take him out in public. We don't go to the parks with him, even though it's so nice out today. But yeah, I mean, eventually we'll go back to doing that stuff, but not right now. We just want to keep him as safe as possible. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's not, I haven't been doing much. You know, I've been being mommy, is what I've really been doing. If you guys want to know how I did this look, simple, easy, every day. Stay tuned for my next video. Other than that, what else is there to say? Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, you will be notified when I upload my next video. Until then, I'll see you guys later.